everyone, welcome back to our channel Austin Institutes. My name is Lipsa, an ex-cabin crew and a trainer in Austin Institutes. And in today's video, we'll discuss about some facts. So is it possible if you have a dark complexion, can you be a cabin crew? Or is it possible if you're married, can you be a cabin crew? Of course, you all can be a cabin crew. You just have to be passionate enough to be a cabin crew. It doesn't matter which caste, which creed or which religion you belong. It doesn't matter whether you have dark complexion, and it doesn't matter whether you're married or unmarried. All what matters is your grooming skills and your communication skills. Grooming skills, that how you represent yourself in front of the interviewers. Your dressing sense, your hairstyle, your makeup, they will see everything. And your communication skills, how you express yourself, your way of talking, the words you are using, they will see that. It doesn't matter which complexion you have. So for more information, you can call us or WhatsApp us at 90410-90404, or you can visit our office, Austin Institutes in Jalandhar and Gurdaspur. Because your career is our passion. Thank you.